So what type of business outcomes or value propositions are you looking to drive out with the architecture? We talked about compliance as one, which is a sort of
absolutely,
which is a mandatory must do.
Must do, yeah.
But are there any others that are giving you some type of innovation, or and without spilling the beans on the company's strategy?
Sure, I think the most immediate one after the compliance one is the training part.
Okay.
People generally, the knowledge sometimes, especially in like in investment banking, for example, processes are quite well known. It's a large companies, but in the type of business that we running, like pensions, for example, sometimes processes are very customized to the type of client that we're facing.
Okay.
And with customization comes also the fact that the knowledge is in the head of some few people who have 20 years of experience dealing with this complex product. And generally, when the person leave, it's a constantly reinventing the wheel to actually retrain somebody. And actually, we don't know this thing because this person has left, so we need to retrain. And
so it's all about knowledge retention.
Absolutely, for knowledge retention. So it's good to have a tool that can actually capture things and do little tricks when someone leaves, where people can actually continually, incrementally improve or change. But at least it is all there, transparent, all in view for everyone, and we know where the ownership lies.
Right. Okay.
So when the person leaves, you know exactly where your risk is, who should replace that person to actually run stuff. So,
I'm actually seeing it with a few other large customers as well, especially in finance, where they have the operational processes, and they're making sure that they know exactly who owns the process from a role point of view in the company, and making sure that there is declared ownership.
Absolutely.
By that person within the company, they own that process. So if you want to identify fraudulent activity or anything else, you can go away and do that.
Yeah. Another benefit as well is, I think what I've witnessed in the past 2 years or maybe 1 year and a half is when external consultants are coming.
Okay.
So when they come, EY or whosoever is coming for doing some analysis, even an unrelated analysis to what we do, but when they come, they want to understand the business, and they're doing billing work actually. So if they come and they want to understand the business, they have to actually meet the SMEs and redo everything. But when you have all your process well cataloged, well structured, kept in the right place, when those people come, you cut their time in, if they were supposed to do 6 month analysis to understand the business first before doing what they were supposed to do, they were hired to do, they can take nearly 3 months or 2 months just by pulling things out of the Erwin stuff. And,
what a fantastic
cost saving. And just looking at fantastic cost saving.
Yeah.
So you can't really put a price on that.
Yeah. Absolutely. I hadn't thought of that.